In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font in Rentry. So first you have to put in some text. I'm going to type in hello there viewer like this, okay? And then I'm going to go to preview, and this is of course my text in the default font. And if you want to change it, the easiest way to do that is by going to metadata down here, click on example, and from here you can see font. So let me actually find it. There we go. It says content font. You want to go and kind of highlight over this and copy it, paste it inside metadata, and then you want to change this font to whatever font you want it to be, okay? So to be able to do that, for this you'll have to of course know the name of your font. So for example, if I do bangers like this, and if I go and refresh this, there we go, this is now in the bangers font. I could go and put it into something else as well, like Arial, for example. There we go. This is also one of the fonts I'm sure you've heard of, okay, like this. But if you have multi-words, like multiple words, not only one, you could for example do like times, and then this kind of underline line, times New Roman, like that. And if I go and again refresh this, this is going to be in Times New Roman, etc. So that's how you can do this. If you do not know the name of the fonts, you could go to like Google Fonts or any other website where there's fonts, and that way you can find them and you can just basically name them in here. If they have spaces in between their name, you can just put this underline and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.